About a week ago, my first book, 366 Days of Trilingual Wisdom, was officially published. Today, I'm holding the author copies in my hands, and honestly, it still feels a little unreal. This book was written during a very uncertain time in my life. There were moments when things didn't go the way I expected, situations that could easily have been discouraging. But instead of letting those moments define me, I chose to write. I chose to turn that uncertainty into something positive. Yesterday, I was speaking with a professor from my university, and I told him something simple. Sometimes, a situation that looks negative at first can become the very reason something beautiful is created. For me, that became this book, 366 Days of Trilingual Wisdom. A book about language, culture, growth, and reflection. English, German, and Yoruba. 3 languages, 1 message. Wisdom connects people. So today, opening this package is more than just receiving books. It's a reminder that even in difficult seasons, something meaningful can grow. And for that, I am truly grateful.